So where do we find the traffic plans? Well, inside your pickup truck there should be a 3-ring binder that does contain the specific standards for your area. It's really important to make sure that they're there at the start of every day before you leave the yard so that you can reference it if ever need be. If you're going to be working in the SDG&E territory, you're going to be going over the San Diego standards. And if you're going to be in Edison and PG&E territory, you're going to be looking at the California Joint Utility Control Manual. Both sets of standards have variations for different types of road work. Right now we're going to be taking a look at a couple different left lane closures. Just note that there are many variations, and it's really important that you look at your road layout and you pick the proper plan that goes along with that road layout. We're going to dig into this San Diego standard here, and what you're going to notice is that it's raised or painted solid median. And if that center median is large enough, you're going to be putting signs on that median as well as across from it. So be double signed so that you can give the most warning possible for that approaching traffic to the work site. Alright, so let's have a look at this joint utility standard here. We're going to be dealing with a solid double yellow center line. One important thing to note on here is that we are going to need to put a road work ahead on the opposing traffic because we are going to be dotting the center line with cones. They're going to need early warning also. The other thing to note is the spacing chart on here. It's giving reference to a table A, which you will be able to find on the backside of all the traffic control plans in the joint utility. That give you a little bit of a cheat sheet. It's kind of a nice little deal. This is the cheat sheet that you'll find opposite all your plans. Just note on here that well, it does give most of your numbers. It doesn't give all of them. For instance, the buffer is not on here, so you're going to need to reference to those other pages. And you know, just for knowledge, page 16, 17, and 18 in the joint utility manual there are your pages for your other charts. So for our purposes here, I just wanted to highlight that they do have the sign spacing. You do need to space that sign proportionate to the speed of the road as well when you do set out that early warning for the opposite, the opposing traffic there. The other thing to notice in joint utility area, depending on the speed of the road, you may have to add extra signs to the setup as well.